Hey everyone, so this is the breakdown for just the first question of your key incident and dialogue chart. So before I get really into it, since this is the first video you're looking at, I want to kind of explain the chart to you briefly, and then I'll go into the question. So your chart that I've given you as a class already has your incident inside of it. So I went ahead and I chose a different incident from the same story so that we can focus in on what exactly we should be learning about the character and everything together. So the incident I chose is I had decided, so this of course is Jim. Jim had decided to drive to their house that I needed to get control. I decided on the drive to their house that I need to get control of my life again. So my first question is, how does it reveal character? So when I'm thinking about how does it reveal character, my focus is on what does this incident teach me about Jim? What does it show me about him? And this, of course, being character is not character like the character in the story. It's character like what kind of person is he? So how does it reveal what kind of person he is? So I can infer based on what's going on and what I remember from the story. So I have to take what's in front of me and what I remember from the story and put it together to say, well, what does this show me or reveal to me about Jim? So Jim is a person who does not let things fester and believes in working his problems out. Okay, so I've learned from the story and then what's going on here is that Jim does not let things fester. So he doesn't let things just sit on his mind. Okay, he doesn't, if Jim seems like the kind of guy that if he's had a bad day, in this case he had a bad couple of days, he doesn't let it just sit and get yucky. He wants to work it out. He believes in working out his problems. So see how I took the idea of him getting control of his life. That means he wants to work it out. And then I had to add that to what I already knew about him. So the fact that he doesn't let things sit and that he wants to get control of it. So he's the take the bull by the horns kind of guy. So remember, this question right here is how does it, in this case, the it being the incident that you see here, reveal character? So what does it teach you about the character in the story? So remember, for us, everything we're going to be focusing in on really has to do with Jim. You should be focusing in on Jim.